Hello everybody, welcome to Madhouse videos. So I'm going to do an unpacking. Got the new magic cutter. It's an invisible cutter that can cut anything, and it will not cut your fingers at all. We'll do. Put this down somewhere. Here we go. It's now out of packaging. This is it. See? Not even cutting. Now, what I'm going to put this back down. And first off, as you can see, there's no cut through there, is there? See? No cut through there. That's how well good it works. And there you go. And it will also work on also work on card, but it doesn't work good on card, but you can actually do it, so it can actually turn it straight down. Let's have one more go. There you go. Very good, and it don't even cut your hand at all. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.